Hey guys, it's Sebastian from Amsterdam Institute of Trading. Just want to give a quick market outlook for this week. I started on our website, section Tools Economic Calendar, where you can see the highest impact news already filtered for the current week. And the time frame shown here is GMT +2, so you may change this one according to your zone. Just be careful around these times when you trade, especially if you're using lower time frames, as you might get whipped by the market. Next, I'll go to trader sentiment. As a general rule, I like to be on the lower side of traders, not on the higher side of traders. So meaning that here it's a buy filter and then it's a sell filter on the bottom. So I will take the top 3 ones and talk about them, and bottom 3 ones and talk about them this week. So I will start at Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We can see that it's forming an uptrend channel, so just be careful, it might go up to 0.5 or 0.618 Fibonacci level of the general trend. This level and this level here is quite close by. British pound, Australian dollar, clearly uptrend channel, strong uptrend. It might go up to this resistance level here, so just be careful where you place your entries and stop losses. We'll continue with Germany 40, which is in an ascending triangle. If it breaks out, it might test this resistance level here around 16,200. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it's in the other direction, so we can see it's in a downwards trend. Fibonacci level 0.6 has been tested 2 times. It might see the 3rd test very soon. The Euro Swiss franc is in a downwards trend. It's a descending triangle. It has been punctured here. So if it goes down, then we might see a continuation of the general trend, which is downwards. We can see that Fibonacci level 0.61 has hold, and from there it goes down. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar in a flag or retracement towards Fibonacci levels. So let's see if it's going to test the 0.5 or 0.6 level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.